errors has been occurred, so we start little bit late. It's 11:09 already. So I welcome to all of faculty members and students. Those are participating at here for this orientation of uh, REC Innovation Platform. So let me introduce a bit myself. My name is Dinesh, and I am I am working as a project associate. So I'm working here as a project associate in this program. Overview of this program will shared by my colleague Mohit, and my senior colleague Rahul is on the in this webinar, but he will not speak. So we will explain all these things, what the program going forward with this students, what the faculty's coordinator will involve, what are the role of the faculty coordinators or research coordinators. So, and what will be the outcome for of this program. So I will handing over to this session to Mohit, and please Mohit, you can continue, and yeah, welcome. Thank you.
Yeah, hello, very good morning and welcome to all of you. Actually, this session is taken by Dr. Anil Singh Vankoti, one of my friend and colleague. So it's over to Dr. Vankoti.
Thank you, Dr. Mohit. Good morning, everyone. I am Dr. Anil Kumar Singh Bankoti. I welcome you all in this orientation program. This program is funded by REC and organized by IIT Kanpur. The main objective of this program is to find innovative ideas from the students, flourish them, and convert them into a market-ready product. So this will be done in a very different way, and a very simple roadmap of this program is given in this slide. At first, we will collect the problem statement and ideas from the student. Then to those ideas or problem students, high quality real solutions will be searched. We will also try to find suitable industry partner for the selected problem or for the selected idea. Then the student need to develop their product. They will develop their product, and product development and scale up development will be there. And at the last, if the idea is very unique or very innovative, we will go for IP generation as well. So the objective of this particular REC innovation platform is uh, in this program there are three stakeholders, that is REC, IIT Kanpur, and 20 partner institutions. So through a research aptitude test, we will select around 1200 students from our 20 partner institutions. Their ideas will be collected, the student ideas will be collected. In this stage, we will provide the mentoring, guidance, and suggestions to all the selected students or groups based on when they will work on their ideas, their problem statements, based on the quality of their ideas. 30 innovative ideas will be selected. Out of those 30 innovative ideas, we will provide rigorous mentoring and guidance for 10 prototype developments. These 10 prototype finally converted into 5 startups. So this is the program objective and program outcome for this particular platform, REC innovation platform. So this process is actually divided into 6 stages. In the very first stage, or we can say stage 0, we will select the student through a research aptitude test. This research aptitude test is a multiple choice test. It is an online test. The questions will be multiple choice questions. Most of the questions will be multiple choice questions. related to basic aptitude, reasoning, language, some basic sciences, and 2 questions will be descriptive type. So this is not very tough. This is very easy online test. So I request you all to go through this. Then in the second stage, all the selected students will be divided into different groups. So groups will be divided, groups will be formed in the basis of their ideas or on the basis of their interest. So once the group formation will be done, they need to uh, define their problem statement, or they will decide the ideas on which they will work on. So once they in stage third, they will do literature search. They will their data or solutions. They will write a report, and finally, when their report is completed or when their report is finalized, they will submit that report to the this is the work in stage. We will evaluate all those reports, and 25 to 30 reports will be selected. Best 25 to 30 reports will be selected. Or groups will be in their research. 25 to 30, the 30 groups in stage 4, they will work on their prototype development. They will continue their prototype in IIT Kanpur in a 1 week workshop. So at the final stage, out of these 10, 5 see IIT Kanpur. So this is the complete program activities and process. So what students are actually getting from it? And at large, we can say that they are contributing towards social wellness through their research or through their problem solving skills. Students. So what institutions are getting? Institutions are actually improving their academia industry collaboration. In the institutions, research cultures are getting developed. Work of institutions to the national spotlight. Apart from these benefits, there are some other benefits are associated with this program. What are those benefits? Those benefits are students are getting acquainted IIT peoples. So they are getting acquainted with IIT culture. They can get fund for their prototype design. And when they need to visit the IIT for workshops, their travel expenses, their boarding expenses, their lodging expenses will be taken care by IIT as per their norms, as per IIT Kanpur norms. And last but not the least, we can say that so as I already said that this program is giving benefit to students, faculty members, academic institutions, and we are actually giving benefits to society as well. So as students is improving their critical and creative thinking, they are also improving their analytical and reasoning skills. And when they are in future, that will help to improve in their career. So what faculty mentors are getting? Faculty mentors are becoming a facilitator directly connected with this. So what institutions are getting? In institutions, innovation cultures are getting created. They are having better student outcomes, pride and recognition, and they can showcase their success stories. So actually this process is divided into three broad areas. So what are those three broad areas? The first one is problem identification, how we will identify the problems. So groups need to identify the research problem through observation and discussion. So they need to observe our surroundings. They need to discuss among them. They can discuss their ideas to their faculties and some experts. So they can identify the problem. Once they can identify the problem, they need to check its technical feasibility, whether it is possible or not. So how we will do technical feasibility? Technical feasibility is actually done based on the scientific facts, based on engineering challenges, based on the design limitations. In that way, we will check the technical feasibility. If the problem is technically feasible, so the student groups and other groups need to develop prototype. So once the prototype is developed and they are having a very good idea, so we need to check the market potential as well. Market potential will be checked as per the prospective customers who are actually getting benefit from that idea or from that prototype. So this is actually the broad overview of this this program. So once these are here, we are having some pictures where we can see some small problems. I think this slide onwards, Dinesh can explain better. So I will invite Dinesh to explain.
Yeah, thank you, Anil. And thank you. Your voice has been a little bit breaking in between, but I think now it's so I'm audible right now perfectly.
Yes. Your voice is clear.
Okay, so uh, so the picture here you are showing, like we are showing here, look the four pictures here. So there are four problems. The one problem is the students in government schools, primary schools, they don't have proper benches for writing and reading. So that's why they forced to sit on the floor of the room, and they try to write and read. Uh, due to this problem, they have some postures problem. If you bend your spinal cord, bend for the in a very early stage, अगर आपका जब हम बच्चे की जो बच्चे क्योंकि छोटे डेवलपिंग एज में होते हैं, अगर उस समय से ही अगर हमारा पोस्चर अच्छा नहीं है, तो हमको ना कई सारी प्रॉब्लम्स हो सकती हैं स्पाइनल से रिलेटेड, क्योंकि स्पाइनल से ही सारे हमारे अंग काम करते हैं. तो ये हमारे आईआईटी कानपुर के स्टूडेंट्स ने ये प्रॉब्लम को देखा और उसका एक सोल्यूशन डेवलप किया, वो हम लोग अभी बाद में देखेंगे. आपका जो हमारे जो स्मॉल रिटेलर हैं सब्जी के, उन सब्जियों के लिए उनकी स्टोरेज फैसिलिटी कॉस्ट इफेक्टिव हो, उनका थोड़ा सा जब अगर वो स्टोरेज करते हैं तो वो उनको प्रॉपर उसका दाम मिल जाए, उनका वेस्टेज कम हो, उसका एक उन्होंने सोल्यूशन लिया. एक हमारा जो स्टार्टअप है, जो मंदिरों में जो हम देखते हैं कि सब फूल हम लोग चढ़ाते हैं, लेकिन बाद में वो फूल जो होते हैं बेकार हो जाते हैं, और आप नदी में देखें तो फूल ऐसे बहते रहते हैं पूजा की सामग्री. तो इस पूजा की सामग्री को उन्होंने अगरबत्ती धूप बत्ती में कन्वर्ट किया. ये फूलों की वेस्टेज फूलों को प्रोसेसिंग करके, और अब तो वो काफी अच्छे स्टेज में है, क्योंकि वो उसको थर्माकोल और एक लेदर फ्लोरा लेदर बना रहे हैं. तो एक काफी अच्छा, और इसको इस स्टार्टअप को यूनाइटेड नेशंस ने रिकॉग्नाइज किया हुआ है, उसको अवार्ड मिला है. और चौथी जो प्रॉब्लम देख रहे हैं, तो उसमें पीछे थोड़ा सा करिए, एक चौथी प्रॉब्लम जो हमारी बाढ़ वाली समस्या है, उस बाढ़ की समस्या में हम कैसे अपनी मोबिलिटी को कंटिन्यू रख सकें, वो हम दिखा रहे थे. तो ये समस्याएं हैं. आप भी अपने आसपास की कुछ ऐसी समस्याओं को देखकर आपको अगर कोई सोल्यूशन दिखता है, देन आप यू कैन थिंक अबाउट दैट. this is the whole idea, this is the whole perspective, the objective of this program, कि आप अपने आसपास की जो छोटी छोटी समस्याएं हैं आपके दैनिक जीवन में, आपके परिवार में या समाज में, जिसको आपने रियलाइज किया है और आप उसको टेक्नोलॉजी से या कुछ इनोवेटिव प्रोडक्ट से उसको सॉल्व कर रहे हैं, तो वही इनोवेशन है, वही स्टार्टअप का एक बड़ा रूप लेगा, जिसको कि हम लोग आगे शेयर करेंगे। तो ये हमारे सॉल्यूशंस निकल के आए थे कि वो डेस्क जिट, अनिल थोड़ा सा पीछे करिएगा एक स्लाइड, जो डेस्क जेट वाला है। ओ सॉरी, am I audible, अनिल? हेलो, हाँ, दिस इज, हाँ, तो ये देखिए, इसमें जो सॉल्यूशन दिया है इस बच्ची जो पढ़ रही है, इसके उस बैग में ही एक डेस्क का फोल्डेबल डेस्क है, जिसको कि वो अपने खोल के रख सकती है, उस पर अपनी कॉपी और पेन से उसको लिख सकते हैं। तो सो ये इस तरह के आपके छोटे छोटे जो प्रॉब्लम, जो डेली लाइफ में जो प्रॉब्लम है, उसके आपको सॉल्यूशंस इस तरह से सोचने हैं। और आगे हम लोग को इसमें इस प्रोग्राम के तहत, जो कि REC इनोवेशन प्लेटफॉर्म के तहत आपको ये मौका मिलेगा कि आप अपने उस आइडिया को, उस जो आपने सोचा है, उसको हम एक स्टार्टअप का रूप अंतिम तक दे सकें, उसके लिए आपको सारी सपोर्ट मिलेगी। हाँ, जो ये florafool.co है, ये अंकित अग्रवाल जी हैं, इन्होंने ये स्टार्टअप किया था, एक सोशल वेंचर है। तो इसमें आप देख रहे हैं ये थर्माकोल की और ये इन्होंने चीजें बनाई हैं। ये फ्लावर से, जो वेस्टेज फ्लावर हैं, जो वेस्टेज फूल हैं, इनसे इन्होंने बनाई हैं। तो ये एक बहुत ही रिकॉग्नाइज्ड स्टार्टअप है और बहुत ही इसकी इम्पैक्ट इश्यूज बहुत हैं, क्योंकि थर्माकोल को अगर आप देखते हैं तो थर्माकोल मतलब इसका जो वेस्टेज है, अगर आप देखेंगे, जो उसका डिकम्पोजिशन होता है, वो डिकम्पोजिशन में काफी टाइम लगता है, काफी लंबे समय तक रहता है। जो प्रेजेंट टाइम में थर्माकोल आ रहा है, जब ये फ्लावर से बना है तो ये बहुत जल्दी बायोडिग्रेडेबल होगा। तो इस जो हमारे एनवायरनमेंट के लिए, पर्यावरण के लिए जो हमारी समस्या खड़ी हो रही है, उस समस्या में ये एक अच्छी पहल है। तो नेक्स्ट करिए अनिल। या तो ये एक बाढ़ पे, चूंकि जो हमारी जब बाढ़ ग्रस्त इलाके हैं, उसमें से कैसे हमारा जो मोबिलिटी है, जो वो प्रॉपर बना रहे, इसके लिए एक फोल्डेबल ये चलने वाला एक ब्रिज बनाने का काम करते हैं। ये स्टार्टअप है IIT BHU के अंकित पटेल जी का। इन्होंने इस समस्या को देखा और इसका काफी यूज हुआ है पंजाब में। लोग जब वहाँ बाढ़ में फंसे हुए थे, तो उन्होंने प्रॉपर उस पर गुरुद्वारा वगैरह उस पर पूरा बना दिया था कि, और लोग उस पर जाके देख रहे हैं पानी में कि वो मतलब उसका भी आनंद ले रहे हैं और अपनी मोबिलिटी भी कर रहे हैं। तो ये कुछ एग्जाम्पल्स हैं। अच्छा, ये जो है निकी झा है, ये नालंदा यूनिवर्सिटी के हैं। इन्होंने इस समस्या को समझा और इन्होंने एक जो इनका सॉल्यूशन है, ये आप जो बैग नुमा ये देख रहे हैं, बैग में क्या है कि ये इनकी एक डिवाइस है जो ओजोन क्रिएट करती है। उस ओजोन के निकलने से जो उसमें फल या सब्जियां रखी जाएंगी, उनका ये करीब 10 से 15 दिन तक बिना किसी उसमें डैमेज आए हुए, बिना उसका कोई कलर चेंज किए हुए, वो इसको आप रख सकते हैं। तो जो छोटे विक्रेता हैं, वो क्या करते हैं कि उनकी सब्जियां, उनका प्रॉफिट कम हो जाता है, क्योंकि वो जो सब्जियां खरीद के लाते हैं और अगर वो नहीं बिक पाई तो फिर वो उनकी सब्जी खराब होने लगती है। उनके पास कोई ऐसा स्टोरेज फैसिलिटी नहीं होता है। तो ये जो मार्केट कैटर कर रहे हैं, काफी बड़ा अच्छा सॉल्यूशन है उन छोटे विक्रेताओं के लिए, जिससे कि वो अपनी एक बार की खरीदारी के बाद वो सब्जियों को प्रिजर्व कर सकते हैं और उनके अच्छे दाम उनको मिल सकते हैं। तो ये कुछ एग्जाम्पल्स के रूप में आप लोगों के सामने है, जिससे कि आप इनसे अपना, इन एग्जाम्पल्स को देखते हुए आप अपने मेन पॉइंट्स बना सकते हैं। आपकी लाइफ में आपको कहाँ पे किस तरह से चीज़ों में समस्या आ रही है, दिक्कतें आ रही हैं, और उसमें क्या नया आपके तरफ से निकल सकता है। ये एक थॉट प्रोसेस की चीज है, जब आप सोचेंगे और तो आपको फिर धीरे धीरे से उस तरह से नजरिया बनने लगेगा। जी अनिल, इसको आगे करिए।
Thank you, Dinesh. I think
हाँ,
I should
okay,
take over from here.
you can carry on, yeah.
Thank you, Dinesh, for sharing such a very brilliant ideas and such a very brilliant start.
Thank you.
So in
Anil,
this model also
please,
we are
you can check your internet. I think sometimes your voice missing.
is there any problem?
Just check it. Yeah, it's look like.
Let me check.
हाँ. जी कंटिन्यू करिए।
ये ऑडिबल है?
हाँ, या ठीक है, अच्छी आवाज आ रही है।
Am I audible? Okay. So in this program also, our main aim is to this is actually a collaborative model for raising young innovators. So there are many peoples who are going to help those innovators. These peoples are faculty mentors, they are faculty coordinators, they are research coordinators. So they are having different duties. Faculty mentors actually they will play as a guide. So they will become a guide for that young innovator. And faculty mentor will be assisted by research coordinator. They are actually helping young innovator to crystallize their research topic, followed by regularly taking of progress and guidance. So in faculty coordinator will monitor, inspire and ensure smooth execution of this program. And research coordinator, they are actually the bridge between faculty and student. So they will they will provide technical inputs as well as train students to read and write research papers. So with this collaborative efforts, what we can expect that we will get some intellectual properties as well as prototypes and patents as well as startup ideas. So this is the conceptual roadmap. So this roadmap is actually divided into 3 phases. So in first phase, there will be student identification. As I already told that using our research aptitude test, we will identify the potential students for this program. Then those students will be divided into different groups as per their ideas. And
अनिल आपकी आवाज फिर से ब्रेक होने लगी।
Hello.
Okay, I'll take over from here. Anil,
Okay.
Hello. I'll take over from here. Actually, this program is divided into 3 different phases. And these phases actually starting from the scrap from the innovative ideas for young innovator to the prototype or to the startup. We will actually convert and support all the innovative ideas from the student and support them to convert their ideas into the startup. As we know that there are so many problems is available around our surrounding. We just need to observe them and we need to give them the critical thinking. So in first phase, we will actually select the student and there is an exam for that. That is research aptitude test. It is not just a simple exam in which it will cover the reasoning or the aptitude, the simple mathematics. So it's an online 1-hour examination. On the basis of that examination, we will select 1200 students and after observing their interest or their choice, we will make them in a different group. Then we will train them and we will teach them how to do the literature survey, means how to support your idea from the previous work and what are already published or doing in the market, what is feasibility, where you can explore that idea in a broad manner or in a deep manner. After that, all the introductory part and literature review part and rigorous mentoring we will provide. Then we will ask them to submit their ideas in a conceptual written way, which can be abstract or a concept of the idea. Then out of these different ideas we will select 30 innovative ideas, and with these 30 innovative ideas our mentor will do the rigorous mentoring or one-to-one mentoring if required. We will shape this idea into the intellectual property as well as the prototype, and after converting these properties or prototypes, we will do the alpha testing, beta testing, whatever required. We will do also the market research and what are the potential of this product, and we will actually our aim to convert these idea into startup. We aim that at least minimum 5 number of startup we will take from this program or procedure. Please change the slide. Dr. Anil, please change the slide. So as this is explained by Dr. Anil already, this is a collaborative program in which a student and a faculty member and the research coordinator collectively giving their effort to start some startup from the scrap ideas, the innovative ideas. So here all the literature review type of the support and all the introductory support, how to do how to select idea, how to do the critical thinking, how to shape those critical ideas into a absolute manner of written document, how to present that document. We will take care of everything of that. We will also make the group of the interested student. The faculty mentor need to encourage the student. They need to guide the student, and with the help of the faculty mentor and research coordinator collectively, we will screen out the top innovative ideas. As I already told you, our aim to collect 30 ideas. Then we will screen out the top 10 ideas which we will convert into the prototype, and minimum we will support 5 startup. We will not only support technically or doing the market review. For that we will also give some financial support of those startups who will going to get select. So this is actually a fair competition between the student, and not only this between the student but also the college, because there is some monetary benefits for the college where students is performing so well, and the university can use this gift value to enhance the culture or make the environment there of their campus in an innovative way. Apart from that, the student will also have the opportunity to come to the IIT campus for the workshop, and where we will arrange a meeting between them and some new fresh startup people, so that we can understand the process of startup and the benefit of doing this. Please change the slide. So this entire program, which has different stages, has a particular timeline. In first phase, we will conduct a RET test, as I already explained you. Let me explain a little bit about RET test. It is nothing but a research aptitude test, and it will be conducted online. You just need a web browser and the internet connection to do that. It is the duration of this test is 1 hour. There is 20 MCQ question and 2 descriptive questions, which is based on simple mathematics, simple English, reasoning, and simple science. So this is nothing to worry about. This is a very easy and simple. Then after that RET test, we will select 1200 students, making them in a group, train them how to write their, how to observe the ideas and document it. We will collect all the documents, then screen out the 30 project. This entire work will be definitely completed by end of the April. then or first week of the May. Then after this process, we will do the rigorous mentoring and one-to-one mentoring to the each and every group. We will take the support to convert their ideas into prototype and also support to check about its technical feasibility and the market review research, the potential of their product. We will also arrange a meeting for some startup which will help them, or some funding agencies which will help them to start their own startup. We will also support 5 startup financially. This in and convert as I told you, convert at least minimum 5 innovative ideas into market ready product. And this entire the timeline of this entire process is up to July last week. So this is about the entire program. Now I'm open for the question. If you have any question, please ask. There are already 4 questions. Yeah. This is in what format submit our problem statement on solution. You can submit it in a simple Word format or PDF format. It's just a concept, what you are thinking about, what the problem you are observing, and what is your prospect solution for that. What will be the timeline when we have submit our problem statement solution? I've already explained the entire timeline of this program. We will definitely arrange the RAT test up to March 15, and after that you have to submit your problem. We will do the mentoring, and the entire program will end at the month of July. We need to submit idea individually, or we need to make team. Yeah, we will make a team. You can also give your idea individually. There is no problem with that. But as if you make a team, then you will also learn how to work in a group, and how to do the teamwork. And this is very beneficial learning for you. When will RAT happen? It actually अभी तो हम लोग जैसे ओरिएंटेशन का काम कर रहे हैं. आफ्टर कंप्लीशन ऑफ दिस ओरिएंटेशन प्रोग्राम, we will contact to a faculty mentor of your college who is associated with us for the coordinator of this entire program from your university or college. हम लोग इस बात का ख्याल रखेंगे कि जो भी RAT का टेस्ट हो आपका ऑनलाइन, वो आपके किसी अदर एंगेजमेंट के साथ क्लास ना कर जाए. Maybe there is some semester examination or midterm examination, so we'll take care of that. But it will definitely up to 15 March or before 15 March. You will submit your problem and solution direct to us by emailing us. Or you can also submit your problem and solution to your faculty mentor who is the coordinator for your university and associated with this program. Will we get fund for initial prototype development? Yeah, a little bit fund is provided to you for your initial prototype development. We will support you. The entire the entire cost is supported by us, but it should be selected in top 30 project. Actually, we will select the top 30 project for your innovative ideas only. So yeah, you will get the fund for prototype development. So there is no issue. Which student will get the chance to come to IIT? The all 30 innovative ideas which are going to select by our panelists, the team, the student associated with those ideas will get the chance to come to IIT for a workshop where we will arrange the meeting and we will give the facility to do the further things for alpha testing, beta testing, everything. We will provide the support to them. We can only show just a moment. Yeah, you can definitely select your social media platform, but the limitation of this program, we are actually aiming or we are actually supporting 3 different fields, which is healthcare field, renewable energy field, and agricultural technology field. So it's actually a vast area. Even maybe your social media platform may connect with that. If you are serving any application in this field, we will also consider that idea too. We can only show problem and solution in real implementation or basic phase. आपको एक अपना प्रॉब्लम लिख करके, जो भी प्रॉब्लम एग्जिस्टिंग है उसके साथ उसका एक प्रोस्पेक्ट सॉल्यूशन आपके हिसाब से आप क्या कर सकते हो उस प्रॉब्लम को इस सोसाइटी पे दूर करने के लिए, वो आपको एक मतलब रिटन फॉर्म में देना होगा. देन वी विल स्क्रीन आउट एट द फर्स्ट फेज. इफ आपका आइडिया जो है वो सिलेक्ट होता है टॉप 30 में, देन हम लोग उस आइडिया को कन्वर्ट करेंगे, उस आइडिया में और मेहनत करेंगे और उसके बारे में एक्सप्लोर करेंगे, और जो भी आइडिया है उसको ट्राई करेंगे कि वो मार्केट रेडी प्रोडक्ट में कन्वर्ट हो. हाँ, ये आपको शेयर कर दिया जाएगा मिस्टर दिनेश के द्वारा कि आपको किस ईमेल पर सबमिट करना है. अपार्ट फ्रॉम मतलब उसके पहले हमारे कुछ फिजिकल मीटिंग्स भी होंगी. हम लोग आएंगे आपके कॉलेजेस में टू make you understand the entire process. फिलहाल तो ये जस्ट जो आपका वेबिनार हो रहा है वो इसके रिगार्डिंग हो रहा है कि एक्चुअली ये प्रोग्राम क्या करने जा रहा है, क्या होने जा रहा है. इट इज अ प्री ओरिएंटेशन प्रोग्राम. विल कम एंड मेक यू क्लियर द ऑल द स्टेप ऑफ दिस, सो डोंट नीड टू वरी. या जैसा कि मैंने बताया दिव्यांशु कि मेन जो सेक्टर हम फोकस कर रहे हैं वो है हमारा हेल्थ सेक्टर, रिन्यूएबल एनर्जी सेक्टर एंड एग्रीकल्चरल टेक्नोलॉजी सेक्टर. पर ये जरूरी नहीं है कि आप बिल्कुल कोर इंजीनियरिंग का ही काम करिए. अगर उसका एप्लीकेशन का पर्पस भी सॉल्व होता है, देन वी विल आल्सो इंक्लूड योर आइडिया. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट, अगर आपका आइडिया किसी और से एरिया से बिलोंग करता है, तो एक्चुअली आप हमारे पास एक डाटाबेस है जहां पर आपके आइडिया स्टोर होते हैं और कंपनीज उसको व्यू कर सकती है. तो इफ एनी कंपनी विल गेट इंटरेस्टेड इन योर आइडिया, वी विल अरेंज अ मीटिंग विद दैट कंपनी पीपल एंड यू. सो इट्स एक्चुअली अ विन विन गेम. वर्कशॉप इज टोटली फ्री. Is it going to group effort? It's depend, but mostly we try to make a group. If my idea is not revenue generating, help farmer, can I apply? You please submit your idea, because every idea has potential to generate the revenue. So you please submit your idea. If it is in the benefit of society or country, we will definitely support that idea. So there is nothing to worry about कि my idea is not revenue generating, then we will support or not. ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है यहाँ पर. Idea has to be totally unique, or it could be derived from other pre-existing ideas. अगर आप किसी प्रॉब्लम का सॉल्यूशन अवेलेबल है, लेकिन उसकी आप जैसे मैं एग्जांपल में लेता हूं आपको, हमारे पास सोलर पैनल, वी हैव द सोलर पैनल बाय व्हिच वी यूज एंड कन्वर्ट आवर सोलर एनर्जी इनटू द इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी. तो अगर वो आप उसकी इफिशियंसी भी बढ़ाते हैं, तो आपने वहां मॉडिफिकेशन किया, उससे फायदा हो रहा है, देश को, सोसाइटी को एनर्जी मिल रही है ज्यादा, तो हाँ, ये आप कर सकते हो. देयर इज नो मतलब वो एकदम नया से कुछ लाना, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. बस मेन इशू ये है, मतलब मेन जो मोटो है वो ये है कि इससे सोसाइटी को बेनिफिट होना चाहिए.
मोहित जी, इसमें सोसाइटी को भी बेनिफिट हो, प्लस आपका रेवेन्यू भी कुछ आ रहा है, तो आपको बिजनेस मॉडल भी आपको रखना है कि सस्टेन कैसे करना. एक तो क्या है कि अगर आप टोटल ग्रांट बेस करते हैं, तो वो एक सोशल एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप अभी जो है, जैसे जो अभी fool.com.co है, तो इनका भी सोशल इम्पैक्ट ही है काफी. but you need to, so first of all idea is good. There is no any kind of as Mohit said, there is no idea bad or wrong or so आइडिया रफ आइडिया कभी भी कुछ भी हो सकता है, फिर उसको फिर हमको रिफाइन करने में हम लोग आपकी हेल्प करेंगे। आरईसी इनोवेशन प्लेटफॉर्म इसीलिए है कि आपको उस आइडियाज को थोड़ा रिफाइन किया जाए और आपको उसमें इस तरह के मॉडल को डाल के कि आप कैसे इसको रेवेन्यू से जोड़ सकते हैं, कैसे आप इसमें इम्पैक्ट देख सकते हैं। तो वी विल help you out all these things.
That is what I am saying, Dinesh. Ki
Yeah,
every
yeah.
idea has a potential to generate revenue.
Yeah,
So
yeah,
let the
that's
idea come. We will here. We will
Mhm.
find a path, find a way to how to make revenue with this idea. If idea is really interesting and benefit this society, it has every idea has the potential of generate revenue. So it's not a big deal.
Some more questions are came, so
Yeah.
please, yeah.
I'm actually answering one by one.
Yeah, yeah. Good.
हाँ, आप मैनेजमेंट से रिलेटेड आइडिया भी शेयर कर सकते हैं, पर हम लोग इस प्रोग्राम के थ्रू उसको टेक्निकल फिजिबिलिटी का सपोर्ट हो या आपका मार्केट रिव्यू का सपोर्ट हो वो तो दे सकते हैं, लेकिन जो इस प्रोग्राम का लिमिटेशन है वो लिमिटेशन आपका हेल्थ केयर, रिन्यूएबल एनर्जी और एग्रीकल्चरल टेक्नोलॉजी है। तो वाया दिस प्रोग्राम हम उसको फाइनेंशियली सपोर्ट नहीं कर पाएंगे, बट एज आई ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू कि आपका जो आइडिया है वो एक डाटाबेस में है जो कि बहुत सारी कंपनी को विजिबल है। अगर उनको आइडिया अच्छा लगता है तो वी विल डेफिनेटली अरेंज अ ब्रिज बिटवीन यू एंड दैट कंपनी पीपल। आई एम नॉट अंडरस्टैंड योर प्रोजेक्ट। द प्रोजेक्ट इज वेरी सिंपल मिस्टर मनीष। आपको अपने सोसाइटी में, अपने सराउंडिंग्स में प्रॉब्लम को ऑब्जर्व करना है। उस प्रॉब्लम के हिसाब से अगर आपको लगता है कि यू हैव एनी आइडिया टू सॉल्व दैट प्रॉब्लम, तो वो आइडिया आपको एक रिटन फॉर्म में, एब्स्ट्रैक्ट के रूप में या एक कॉन्सेप्ट के रूप में वो आप प्रॉब्लम विथ योर प्रोस्पेक्ट सॉल्यूशन आप इसमें सबमिट करेंगे। इफ योर solution will get selected, then we will shape your solution to a market ready product via this project or program. In which date all of us are sending our ideas? It will be actually tell to you कि आपको अपना आइडिया कब तक भेजना है। ये ऐसा लास्ट डेट कुछ डिसाइड नहीं हुआ है, बिकॉज द फर्स्ट स्टेज ऑफ दिस प्रोग्राम इज RAT टेस्ट। जैसा कि हमने कहा, वी आर एक्चुअली अलाउइंग all the graduate student and first year of master student from 21 different colleges, and we need to screen not only 1200 students. So once the red test will done, all the timeline will be given to you. Else definitely you have to give your idea up to April, I think. Yeah, that's very good. If your project is related to agriculture management, please submit your idea to us. Yeah, you can send more than one idea. It's not an issue. No, there is no negative marking aptitude test. Any more question? How many sticks can be in a group? That depends, maximum 3.
Please ask
Or 4.
if you have more questions. Yeah?
It's not more
Correct.
than maximum 3 or 4 students. That depends.
Yeah.
Any more question? Is there a eligibility criteria? Yeah, there is a eligibility criteria, but it's only you have to crack the RAT examination, or you belongs to that different 21 colleges which is enlisted with this program, and you belongs to you are a graduate student or first year master's student. That's it. That's the eligibility criteria for this. There is no any other eligibility criteria. Thank you, sir. Oh, it's not a question. Thank you very much.
Mr. Manish Gautam is asking if you have any problem, if I have any problem that this problem solved by money. थोड़ा आप मनीष गौतम जी अगर आप इसको थोड़ा इलोबरेट कर पाए आपको अनम्यूट
Actually,
कर
I am not getting your question. What do you want to ask?
या अगर इसको थोड़ा सा आप इनको
Can
अनम्यूट
the
करके
solution be 100% digital, like an app? No. It's not like that.
मनीष गौतम
I am answering to Mr. Divyanshu Singh. It's not like that your project is 100% digital.
मनीष आपको अलाउ कर दिया गया है स्पीक बोलने के लिए आप अपने आप को अनम्यूट करके आप बोल सकते हैं अपना
यस सर
बताइए
गुड आफ्टरनून सर मैं सर ये कहना चाहता हूँ कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स अगर मेरे पास ऐसी है जो पैसे के द्वारा सॉल्व होगी तो फिर फंड कहाँ से आएगा
कि पैसे के द्वारा सॉल्व होगी से आप एक्चुअली क्या पूछना चाहते हैं आप कुछ तो
बहुत सारी प्रॉब्लम होती है बहुत सारी प्रॉब्लम होती है
will you please give me example for that?
नहीं आपकी जैसे समस्या जो है मनीष जी पैसे की तो एक दूसरी समस्या तब आएगी जब आप किसी सॉल्यूशन को बनाने के लिए आपको कोई आइडिया होगा आप कुछ सोच रहे होंगे कि हमें कुछ बनाना है कुछ नए तरह से सर्विस देनी है तो कैपिटल इन्वेस्टमेंट आपको आप उस पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से सोच रहे हैं कि कोई आपको बिजनेस स्टार्ट करने के लिए वो पैसे चाहिए तो अभी यहाँ पे पैसे की वो बात नहीं है क्योंकि अगर वो आइडिया इनोवेटिव है और आप में वो मार्केट पोटेंशियल है तो हमारे यहाँ से जो हम लोग बेस्ट 3 मोहित जी शायद आप उसको और बता दीजिए बेस्ट 3 आइडियाज को हम उसको जो प्रोटोटाइप बहुत अच्छे आएंगे हम उनको फाइनेंशियली हेल्प भी करेंगे करीब 2 लाख और 2.5 लाख व्हाट द अमाउंट ये आपको अमाउंट आपको एज ए इसमें मिलेगा हाँ राहुल भी आ गए हैं हाँ राहुल आप प्लीज
Hi everyone. Sorry, I was running late and I was busy with another meeting.
Okay, no
so I hope the workshop went well.
Yeah, there
okay.
is some problems. But
okay. Please allow Mr. Krishna to speak.
Sure. Dinesh, can you just allow someone? So, are we running question answers, right? I was typing answer to some of the questions. Is there any question that is remaining?
Which one is who is asked you? Divyanshu Singh. Okay, let me. Divyanshu, we are.
Hi Mohit. Hi Anil.
Hello.
Divyanshu, you can speak your.
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon.
Actually, sir, I would like to share an experience I had recently. I participated in the IBM hackathon conducted by NASSCOM. Actually, it was crack the COVID-19 crisis.
Okay.
तो सर उसमें हमने एक प्रोजेक्ट बनाया था वो मतलब टेलीकॉलिंग बेस्ड था लाइक जो लॉकडाउन में स्टूडेंट्स पढ़ाई नहीं कर पा रहे और उनके पास इंटरनेट कनेक्शन नहीं है उनके लिए कि वो फोन पे कॉल करके रिकॉर्डेड ऑडियो लेक्चर सुन कर रहे हैं वॉइस पे टोल फ्री पे तो सर जैसे बहुत सारी प्रॉब्लम्स ऐसी भी हैं हमारे करंट सिचुएशन जो अपने 3 सेक्टर्स बताए हैं जो सिर्फ एक सॉफ्टवेयर या ऐप से सॉल्व हो सकती है तो क्या हमें एक मतलब ऐसे मैकेनिकल चीज बनाना जरूरी है जिसको फील एंड टच कर सके कि मतलब एक सॉफ्टवेयर के थ्रू भी हम कोई प्रॉब्लम एड्रेस कर सकते हैं
very well very nice question Divyanshu first of all and good to see that you guys have already implemented something so when we say product it does not mean a physical product or a hardware product only and in fact in 2021 most of the things that you see even the industry manufacturing industry which is associated with the hardware kind of products is already moving towards industry 4.0 which is IoT enabled machineries where a big portion of this is enabled by the softwares or SaaS platforms. So all we are looking for is a product. The product can be an IoT enabled product. The product can be a hardware only product. The product can be a software only product as well. That is perfectly fine. I was seeing some of the questions or some of you are asking is the idea can be management related only? Can the idea be a non-profit making idea? Is it necessary to have the revenue making idea? So you have to understand the objective of the entire program is to actually inculcate the culture of innovation and support the entrepreneurship. So when we are talking about entrepreneurship, even if it's a social impactful entrepreneurship or a social impactful enterprise, there has to be a revenue making model. If you're not making revenues, how will that be sustained after the program ends? There has to be a customer for your idea. Somebody must pay to use your services, to use your products. If that is not there, that certainly is not an enterprise. It can be a NGO, it can be a pure innovation thing only, but it can certainly not be a product. So that is the objective. You have to find for users to pay for your solutions. Obviously, they won't pay during the program itself, because here only we are supporting up to a very crude prototype development stage only. But through a startup incubation center of IIT Kanpur and the support of your institutes, respective institutes, because there are 20 under the overall. So your respective institute can support infrastructure that the institute already has. And then through SIIC, you will be able to access many more infrastructure services. And apart from it, you will also be able to access other funding related schemes. So SIIC currently has close to 23 funding ranging from 50,000 rupees per month fellowship up to 1 crore rupees का fund. तो जिसका नीड होगा और जो जरूरत समझ में आएगी, वो सपोर्ट हम आपको SIIC से लाके प्रोवाइड कर देंगे. So up to a complete product stage, SIIC will be able to support you. That is for sure. Divanshu, I hope this answers your question.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Krishan Chandra,
Okay,
मैंने आपको अनम्यूट कर दिया, अलाउड टू स्पीक कर दिया. प्लीज आस्क योर क्वेश्चन.
Hi Krishan, please आप अनम्यूट कीजिए और फिर सवाल पूछ लीजिए.
गुड आफ्टरनून सर.
गुड आफ्टरनून कृष्ण, बताइए.
मैं सर जो आइडिया शेयर करना चाहता हूँ मैनेजमेंट से रिलेटेड, एग्रीकल्चर फार्मर टू इंडस्ट्री मैनेजमेंट, इसमें सपोर्ट करेगा REC? बीच का सप्लाई चेन मैनेजमेंट.
Again, if it is a product driven solution, REC program will certainly support. If it's only process driven, we will have to see. Outrightly, we will not say no to any idea if it is related to these three domains: healthcare, agriculture, renewable energy. Anything related to these three domains, we will certainly look at it. And since it's a 6 month, 7 month long program window, so we'll have a lot of opportunities to actually discuss on the idea with the innovators. So if you and your team is proposing an idea, it won't be that somebody will look at the idea and will say outrightly that it is good or bad. You will be getting an opportunity to discuss it with your faculty mentors, discuss it with the research mentors of the program, and also discuss with our SIIC team. So you will get the opportunity to actually, see, share, and discuss.
Yes sir, but the field both are allowed. Manufacturing, agriculture manufacturing related and agriculture marketing related, both are allowed.
As far as domain is concerned, healthcare, agriculture, renewable energy, all these three domains are open. Anything related to these three domains can be acceptable.
Thank you sir.
Dinesh, do we have any other unanswered question in Q&A part?
Let me check, please.
I saw that you
There
guys have
is
been
a-
answering
can-
most of the question, but just in case if there is anything remaining.
Yeah, there is some other questions came. So Moin Uddin is asking,
Can a group of students submit one idea? See, whoever is asking, I'm sure Mohit, Anil and Dinesh have already explained the whole program's focus is actually to build a team. So based on the performance in RAT, the team of 3 to 5 people will work on the idea. So I don't know why this question is coming up now, but probably this has been answered already.
and Moin Uddin is asking, sir,
If I identify the solid problem but can't think of valid solution, or am I thinking my solution not logical, other solution above or standard? So Moinuddin, there are two parts of your question. One is that if you are unable to think of a solution, see, understand, the whole program is trying to build or to mold you to find the solution. If I knew the solution, I would have already been doing that. So it is you or the team that has to come up with the solution. Second part of your question is that the solution is above our standard. I don't know what that means, but there are no solutions that are above your standard or mine. There is no standard as far as finding the solution is concerned. It's just the hard work and the teamwork. So that should be done. Manish Gautam is asking, paisa kahan se aayega? I think I already answered this just now with Divyanshu's question, that up to 2.5 lakh for top 5 teams will be provided under the program itself. Beyond this, you can access the money from different programs of SISE. And we offer programs from 50,000 rupees का fellowship for 12 months से लेकर के 1 करोड़ रुपए तक का equity funding तक. तो वो सारा solution आपका वहां से exist कर सकते हैं. दिनेश, कोई और सवाल बचा है?
तो अभी तो फिलहाल नहीं है. There is all questions has been answered. So if you have any questions, the screen has the email ID. You can write on it, or you can ask to your facility coordinator, and then we will plan a physical visit also. So we will try to explain more on it. We will about what would do, how it would be that happen, and how what more elaboration form of this REC innovation platform. Then you have to chance physical one-to-one physical in a group session. We will try soon to visit your faculty to your institution. So if you have your own idea, you can just write it down, and you can just have some question or some kind of. This is the objective of our this orientation. You have just start thinking on what the innovation could happen, what you can try to solve a problem. So here is we are going to sum up, Rahul.
Okay. Then I think a ton of thanks to all the participants, particularly the faculty coordinators from all the institutes that were a part of the today's session. It certainly would not be possible to actually build this program to a successful one without the strong participation from the faculty mentors as the local mentor for this institute. So please, take part in this. And if there are other faculty members who couldn't become part of this session, we'll be lining up 2 more sessions on Monday. The details will be shared by Dinesh with the respective faculty coordinators. So if anyone is left or couldn't join the session or has any other question, you certainly can join on any of the 2 sessions on Monday, and then we'll certainly try to meet all of you during our one-on-one sessions or during our first visit to the campus itself.
Yeah, so we'll
so with this, I thank all the panelists, Dinesh, Dr. Mohit, and Dr. Anil, and all the participants once again. Have a great day to all of you. Namaskar.
Yeah, okay. Thank you, Rahul.
Have a nice day too.
Thank you to all of you. Yeah. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.